bigger Vise stand. This is a bench grinder stand from Harbor Freight. It's sheet metal, it's super light, it's not wide enough, it's time to go bigger. As expected, the plate on this has warped and it's a bit wobbly. Now I'd like to bolt it down, but this isn't my garage, so I can't do that. What I want to try though is I want to tack 3 nuts to the bottom, and we'll see if that works. Okay, 3 didn't work, let's try 4. Wow, that's the sturdiest yet. Okay, so now with the nut under each corner, it's the stablest I've had it yet, but it still shakes like a dog, so let's add some gussets. Now that these gussets are on, that base is rock solid. Okay, so that's the gist of the stand. Got the pedestal done, the vices bolted down, I welded the nuts on the back side. Now it's time to accessorize. That sounded dumb. Can we do another? Now comes the fun part. I get to add on all the little storage bits and I get to problem solve on the fly. Some things I want to add: a hook for a chip brush, some bars to hang angle grinders from, 2 loops to hang hammers from. I put on for the angle grinder is 3/8 round bar, and it's too wide to fit behind the guard on the angle grinder. So I took a stone disc and I ground it down a little bit, and so now hangs pretty good. for watching, guys. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I'll have a link in the description. I do daily stories there where I often ask you guys for advice on how to solve problems like this wobbly vase. Thanks to those of you who did answer that question. It was really helpful. That's it for this one, guys. See you next time.